Hello there, Mr. Mac here to give you a bit of help with finding the sum of an arithmetic sequence. So, if you've read your boardworks lesson, you've hopefully come across this relationship here. We could say Sn stands for the sum of the first n terms, and this is only true for an arithmetic sequence. It doesn't work for geometric sequences, obviously. So we do n divided by 2 multiplied by a plus l. And this is because arithmetic sequences, if you take the average of the first and the last term, so a plus l divided by 2, this would give you the average value of the terms in the sequence. Okay, so if you just take the average value of the terms in the sequence and you multiply it by, multiply it by n, that's going to give you the sum of the terms in the sequence. There's a slightly more complicated version of the formula, which I can explain to you if you like, but we're actually going to use the simpler one for this. Now, okay, I'm sorry about my screen moving around, I'm not sure why that's happening. Now, first of all, let's analyze this sequence. So we've got d equals 4, and again d equals 4, so it's definitely a linear sequence, or an arithmetic sequence. So the formula, the nth term, remember we always take the difference, we multiply it by n, so we get 4n, and then when n is 1, we want to have the value of 14, so we have to add 10. Let's check that works. U3 should be 4 times 3 plus 10 should be 22. Yeah, it's 22. Okay, so there's the nth term rule, and we're going to use that to figure out what number 106 is in the sequence. So 106 is the nth term, which is 4 times n plus 10, and if we solve that, we'll take away 10 from both sides, and then we'll divide by 4. That's 24, isn't it? 425 is 100, so 424 is 96. So therefore there's 24 terms in that sequence. Now Sn is the first plus the last divided by 2, which in this case is 14 plus 106 divided by 2, 120 divided by 2, that's 60. Okay, now don't forget we also need to, we forgot, multiply that by n. Okay, so we've actually got Sn equals 24 times 60. Can we do that in our heads? Let's have a think. Well, 20 lots is 60, 10 lots is 600, so 20 lots is 1200, plus 4 times 60, 1440. Okay, that's got to be better than the GDC, surely. Rather than saying Sn, actually, we can slightly improve that by just saying S of 24 is 1440. Okay, we're saying the sum of the first 24 terms is 1440. We could check that by using our calculator. We could enter the terms as a sequence and add them up, but we're better off just trusting our use of the formula. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you've got any questions about it. Good luck.